Namaste and welcome to lecture 6 of triangles. Today we will be doing A.S.A congruency condition or criterion. Okay, A.S.A congruence condition or criteria, whatever you say. Now this is what A.S.A is. A is nothing but angle, side and angle. Okay, means in some sums we need to use this criteria to prove the given statement. Okay, as we have done SAS, now we will use A.S.A also in particular sums. What is this A.S.A congruency? See, it is that two triangles, here in this congruency they say that two triangles are congruent if, what is the condition? If two angles and the included sides, okay, of the one triangle, means two angles and the included sides of one triangle are equal to the two angles and the included side of the other triangle. Okay, this is A.S.A congruency. Okay, to the, we can say, are equal to the corresponding, also you can say to the corresponding two angles and the included sides of the other triangle. Now see, to understand this statement, this is a theorem we can say, but it doesn't need a proof. It is not there in your syllabus. Okay, but let us take an example. Suppose we construct a triangle ABC. Okay, here I would like to take BC 4 centimeters. Then angle B should be 30 degrees. Angle C is 50 degrees. Okay. Now similarly, let us construct another triangle PQR. Here QR is 4 centimeters. We will construct like that QR is 4 centimeters, Q is 30 degrees and R is 50 degrees. Now what will we do? We will trace the copy of ABC, triangle ABC, and we will superimpose it on triangle PQR. Then what will happen when you superimpose triangle ABC on triangle PQR? What result we will have? We will see that triangle ABC coincides with triangle PQR. Okay, meaning of this is A will fall on P, then B on Q and C on R. Okay, so triangle ABC covers triangle PQR completely, and therefore we can say that triangle ABC is corresponding to triangle PQR. Okay, and when we will measure AB, AC, PQ, PR angle A and angle P, then we will observe, after when we will measure AB, AC, PQ, PR, angle A and angle P, we will observe that, what we will observe? After getting this correspondence, we will observe that AB will be equal to PQ, AC will be equal to PR. Let us draw the triangles here, ABC, PQR. Okay, see, AB will be equal to PQ, AC will be equal to PR, and we can also set that angle A will be equal to angle P. Okay, so this, what are we getting this? Correspondence we have proved, and we can also observe that this is there. And now we can say that angle B will be equal to angle Q and angle C will be equal to angle R because of CPCT, corresponding parts of the congruent triangles. Okay, this way you can prove A.S.A, angle side angle congruency. Now see, in this angle side angle congruency, we will take one example first. That is, here we will say that in triangle ABC, AD bisects angle BAC and AD is perpendicular to BC. Line segment AD is perpendicular line segment BC. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. This you can, I think this we have proved with using SAS congruency also. Okay, now we will prove this by using A.S.A congruency. Now see, let us draw one triangle ABC first. Now let me draw AD, which is perpendicular to BC, which is already given to us. So by looking at this figure, we will have two triangles now. One is this ABD. See, always I separate these triangles just to understand that how easy it is to prove. Okay, now we can say that in triangles ABD and ACD, we have what we have. Come on, what is given to us? AD bisects angle BAC. Yes, so what will I say? BAD is equal to CAD. Why? Because AD is bisecting angle BC. What is a bisector? You know, it divides an angle into two equal halves. Yes, so we have angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Why? Because AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Correct. Now, other thing we have is ADB, this angle, because this is angle side angle. So here we have to prove two angles equal and only one side equal. Okay. What we will say? ADB, means this angle is equal to ADC. Why? Because AD is perpendicular to BC, so these are 90 degrees, hence they are equal. Okay, we can write angle ADB is equal to angle ADC because each angle is 90 degrees as AD is perpendicular to BC. See, that is why we did definitions of perpendicular bisector and the bisector also in previous lecture. Now, other thing, it is very easy. AD is equal to AD because it is a common side. So, AD is equal to AD. It is a common side, therefore it is equal only. So, therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Why? Because A.S.A congruency or criteria. How? See, here we have proved angle A is equal to angle A. This is angle. Here D is equal to D. This is another angle and this is the side. So this is what? Angle side angle by A.S.A. Got it? And because this is congruent, I will write that therefore AB is equal to AC. Why? Because side opposites to equal angles are congruent in the triangle, are also equal. Okay, because they are sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay, in a congruent triangle. See, got it? So this is the opposite side of angle D. Yes. So AB is equal to AD, and hence we will prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. We all know what is an isosceles triangle. When two sides are equal, the two angles will also be equal. Okay, then it is an isosceles triangle. Let us take one more example regarding the A.S.A congruency. Okay, now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we have BC is equal to QR, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q. We have to show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. First of all, for the solution or the proof, I would like to draw both the triangles. One is ABC and PQR. Let me draw ABC. Other triangle is PQR. Correct? BC is equal to QR. Angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Two sides, two angles, and one side they have given us equal. How will we show that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR? That they have asked us to show, but again by A.S.A congruence condition. Okay, let us check. Now see, it is given that angle A is equal to angle P. What is angle A plus angle B is equal to angle B is equal to angle Q? Why? Because angle B is equal to angle Q. So if I add these two, okay, let me write it properly. See, it is given that angle B is equal to angle Q. This is given. Okay, if this is 1 and this is 2, we will add 1 and 2. What will we get? Angle A plus angle B is equal to angle P plus angle Q. Also, we know the angle sum property, that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees, and this is the third statement, because we know sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Also, the next triangle is angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is also equal to 180 degrees. Let us take fourth. Because 180 degrees, so we can say both the triangles are equal. Yes, using 3 and 4, what do we get? We get that this angles are equal to this angles. Angle A plus angle P plus angle C is equal to angle P plus angle Q plus angle R, which is equal to 180 degrees. But what do we have here? This thing we have, but angle A plus angle B is equal to angle P plus angle Q. So what we will do? These two will go away totally. Yes, because they are equal. Correct? Therefore, angle C is equal to angle R. So we have proved the third angle also equal. Yes. Now we can say that in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we have BC is equal to QR, which is already given. Angle B is equal to angle Q is also given. And now we have proved that angle C is equal to angle R. Here we have proved, right? So this three means angle, side, angle. So we can say that by A.S.A congruency, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Got it? And hence proved. This way you need to do sums. It is very easy. Understand and do. It will be more comfortable for you. So I end my lecture over here. Thank you very much. We will meet in the next lecture with more sums.